Can I keep confidential documents on SharePoint? Are they safe? These questions are on top of the list of every new potential SharePoint user. Why is this so important? Well, SharePoint allows users to create libraries to upload any kind of content, from internal processes to finance reports to payroll data. Some of this content should only be seen by authorized employees. So how can you create a comprehensive confidentiality policy? These 4 tips are going to help you. Be specific about what content is permissible. List the types of documents that can be stored in SharePoint. Specify who has access to which documents and the level of access each person has. This means that the policy needs to be clear in who can publish, see, download, or review documents. For example, any finance employee can upload Excel sheets, but only the finance director has the authority to review and edit them. Continually train employees. Educate them about the importance of privacy and confidentiality. Create terms of service when deploying SharePoint for the first time and update them periodically. Make sure your IT department notifies users when changes are made on the terms of use. Create classifications to guide behaviors. Ask your IT department or SharePoint provider to program a pop-up that comes up every time a user tries to access a document without authorization. That notification will tell them the types of content allowed and the type of documents they have access to. Enforcing policies is a must. IT managers must notify immediately if someone tries to access confidential documents without authorization. If the same employee incurs in several violations, appropriate action must be taken. Keep in mind that levels of access must be updated continually, especially if your company has terminated employees or has moved one to another department. Another good practice is to ask your users to change their passwords every 3 to 4 months. Remember, confidentiality and security are priorities to any company that needs to be compliant. If you like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to receive the most recent notifications.